Got a 12-inch pipe with a 7-degree overbend, transitioning into bore pipe. Transition weld is a foot upstream of this edge. Since it's a 7-degree overbend, we have segments of B-sleeve, and over these gaps we're going to put 13.5-inch oversleeve using the P1F procedure, backing straps, everything associated with that procedure. So these two 10-foot sleeves just give us our additional length to get to the 39 foot, which will put us out of the easement for Kansas DOT. All the appropriate NDE and UT and inspections are taking place on the landings. So that's where we're at today. They've gotten all but one 10-foot segment welded out on the long seams. Won't be any butt welding done here on the B sleeve. That'll be the oversized going over that. And then at each end we'll have the appropriate welding done on the in-service. That in-service welding at each end won't be done until at least Monday. We don't have, that'll give us the weekend to finish up our B-sleeve welding and our oversleeve welding. Marking off how long we're going to make these. What are you looking at, a foot or 14 inches?
Foot.
A foot. So we got our 7-degree overbend covered with an Armadillo we made out of 12-inch B sleeve and 13.5-inch oversleeve. The hot end of the downstream end is welded 1 foot downstream of the transition weld using P1F in-service weld procedures. This is an 8-foot segment, a B sleeve. Each one of these oversleeves is 12 inches long, and these B sleeve segments for the Armadillo are 2.5 foot long. And then you got your final 2 segments of B sleeve that are 10 foot long each. And here's another one of our oversleeve segments, and then we tie to the pipe, the carrier pipe, with P1F in-service welds. And then this makes up the protective or reinforcement casing that Kansas DOT required in order for it to be in their easement for the widening of US 54. All this will be recoated with RD6 after it's blasted, of course.